Are you tired of cookie-cutter wealth management strategies that don't recognize the unique complexity of your financial life? In today's fast-paced, interconnected world, managing significant wealth requires more than just standard investments. You need a partner that goes beyond the basics, offering specialized, global opportunities and a truly tailored approach. That's exactly where EverBank steps in. EverBank Wealth Management is built on the philosophy of delivering a distinct financial advantage to its clients. They understand that true wealth management is about creating a comprehensive, risk-aware portfolio designed to thrive in various economic climates. So, how do they do it? First, EverBank is known for its diversified investing solutions, especially their world markets approach. This is a crucial difference. They offer clients unique opportunities to diversify beyond the US dollar through products like foreign currency-denominated deposits and accounts that can incorporate precious metals. This global perspective is about protecting and growing your capital by hedging against dollar fluctuations and tapping into global market potential, something many traditional banks don't prioritize. Beyond these specialty investment products, their wealth management services operate as an SEC-registered investment advisor. This means a disciplined, expert-driven approach. Their portfolios are constructed using sophisticated asset allocation techniques, aiming for globally diversified, risk-focused structures. The goal is to limit volatility by including assets for growth, stable return, and inflation protection, using a mix of mutual funds, ETFs, and individual securities. The entire process is client-centric. EverBank Wealth Management crafts model portfolios based on your specific risk tolerance and capacity. Their investment committee drives the strategy, actively managing portfolios with both tactical and strategic objectives in mind, ensuring a managed, active approach to your financial future. In short, EverBank's wealth management is defined by specialized global diversification, a disciplined, institutional-caliber investment strategy, and a commitment to high-yield deposit accounts that provide a solid foundation for your overall wealth. They aim to give you the comprehensive, expert support needed to navigate complex financial landscapes and keep your money performing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.